Smartphone Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is one step closer to the exit. According to the network sources, information on a Samsung smartphone with code designation SM-A516N has appeared on the website of the Wi-Fi Alliance. Under this cipher lies the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G model with support for 5th generation mobile communications. The plans of the South Korean giant for the release of the named device have already been mentioned. It is assumed that the heart of the new product will be proprietary Exynos 980 processor, which combines 8 cores with a frequency of up to 2.2 GHz, the Mali G76 MP5 graphics accelerator, and a 5G modem with a data transfer of up to 2.55 GB per second. Wi-Fi Alliance certification data suggests that the smartphone carries onboard a dual-band 2.4 by 5 GHz Wi-Fi wireless adapter that supports 802.11ac. The operating system Android 10 is indicated as a software platform. Earlier, web sources unveiled a render of the Galaxy A51 5G. As you can see in the video, the device is equipped with a display with a small hole in the center at the top. A front camera is installed here. The main camera has a 4-component configuration. Other specs include 6 GB of RAM, a 64 GB flash drive, and a display fingerprint scanner. Wi-Fi Alliance certification means that the official presentation of the Galaxy A51 5G will take place very soon. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.